Quotes by Thich, nhat. People have a hard time letting go of their suffering out of a fear of the unknown. They prefer suffering that is familiar. Enlightenment is always there. Small enlightenment will bring great enlightenment. If you breathe in and are aware that you're alive, that you can touch the miracle of being alive, then that is a kind of enlightenment. Many people are alive, but they don't touch the miracle of being alive. It is possible to live happily in the here and now. So many conditions of happiness are available, more than enough for you to be happy right now. You don't have to run into the future in order to get more. People suffer because they are caught in their views. As soon as we release those views, we are free and we don't suffer anymore. Mindfulness helps you go home to the present, and every time you go there and recognize the condition of happiness that you have, happiness comes. Life is available only in the present. That is why we should walk in such a way that every step can bring us to the here and the now. When you love someone, the best thing you can offer is your presence. How can you love if you are not there? To be loved means to be recognized as existing. Every thought you produce, anything you say, any action you do, it bears your signature. We have to continue to learn, we have to be open, and we have to be ready to release our knowledge in order to come to a higher understanding of reality. Fear keeps us focused on the past or worried about the future. If we can acknowledge our fear, we can realize that right now we are okay. Right now, today, we are still alive, and our bodies are working marvelously. Our eyes can still see the beautiful sky. Our ears can still hear the voices of our loved ones. Earth and eating in such a way you feel in touch with true life, your roots, and that is meditation. If we chew every morsel of our food in the way we become grateful, and when you are grateful, you are happy. Cultivate these quotes in practice. Because of your smile, you make life more beautiful. People have a hard time letting go of their suffering out of fear of the unknown. They prefer suffering that is familiar. We will be more successful in all our endeavors if we can let go of the habit of running all the time and take a little pause to relax and recenter ourselves, and we also have a lot more joy in living. Every breath we take, every step we make can be filled with peace, joy, and serenity. When we recognize the virtues, the talent, the beauty of Mother Earth, something is born in us, some kind of connection, love is born. It is very important that we relearn the art of resting and relaxing. Not only does it help prevent the onset of many illnesses that develop through chronic tension and worry, it allows us to clear our minds, focus, and find creative solutions to the problems. Breathe in deeply to bring your mind home to your body, then look at or think of the person triggering this emotion. With mindfulness, you can see that she is unhappy, that she is suffering. You can see her wrong perceptions. You can see that she is not beautiful when she says things that are unkind. We need enlightenment, not just individually, but collectively. To save the planet, we need to awaken ourselves. We need to practice mindfulness if we want to have a future. If we want to save ourselves and the planet. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. To meditate means to go home to yourself. Then you know how to take care of things that are happening inside you, and you know how to take care of things that happen around you. You practice mindfulness on the one hand to be calm and peaceful. On the other hand, as you practice mindfulness and live a life of peace, you inspire hope for a future of peace. We have more possibilities available in each moment than we realize. Fearlessness is not only possible, it is the ultimate joy. When you touch non-fear, you are free. Be free like a bird. Liberate yourself. In order to heal others, we first need to heal ourselves. And to heal ourselves, we need to know how to deal with ourselves. Compassionate listening is to help the other side suffer less. If we realize that other people are the same people as we are, we no longer angry at them. When you learn about the teaching and the practice of another tradition, you always have a chance to understand your own teaching and practice. Enjoy. Cultivate and practice. May all love all.